Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Modhani Karaoke. For those who are new here, if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button to join the family. It's absolutely free. And for the regular supporters, my family, my everything, you guys, thank you so much for being here, for tuning in, for always supporting me, always commenting, always telling me I'm doing good, always suggesting new videos. Thank you so much. As you can see today, it's rather dark. I'm in a basement parking. I got here like 10 minutes ago. I'm supposed to meet someone at 5 and it's 4:50. So yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm going out to eat. It's like a dinner date or something of the sort. So yeah, I just want to dress up. I'm not in whatever I'm supposed to be wearing, but I have cute outfit. It's a top, jeans, don't mind this, a top, jeans, and I want to just put on a bomber jacket and some boots. So yeah, see you guys when I get there. Wave. Si wave tu. Nakaa soko. Lakini 7:39 ni mchana tunakuanga. Usawi tusikia hapo tena. I don't know why I keep on starting my vlogs when I'm driving. It's because I'm always late to everything. I know that my camera is dirty, you guys can see me too well, but I'm headed for a brunch in Westlands. I am late. It started at 1. It's 1:50, so I am 50 minutes late, but who cares? Like at events as Zangi on time. I just to them able. So niko kwa njia heading there, so I'll probably see you guys when I get there. And don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe and like my content. I really do appreciate you guys commenting, sharing. Yeah, so see you guys when I get there.
It was not perfectly round at all. Not
you should
all.
see mine. It looks like nothing. I just don't have to.
Not at all. Oh,
wow. That is so cool.
What's inside this mixture? Yeah.
Cream and salt.
Oh, it's cream and salt.
Okay.
Oh, okay. And then the mozzarella that you just cut back, because you cut it back into the warm milk, it's able to reshape again.
Hey you guys, as you saw, the event was really nice. Sorry, I'm in the washroom. It's pretty cute. First, let's see how I look. I look really amazing. The washroom is really beautiful. That's the mirror, as you guys can see. The bathroom is really amazing. I have like so many selections. I want to show you guys some gift hampers that we were given by Queen Deli. This was a brunch organized by Queen Deli. It's a company that mainly deals with cheese and the making of cheese. And yeah, I was pretty privileged to be invited today, which I'm really excited about. So let me show you guys the package that we got. So as you can see, this is the package that we got. Everyone was getting one each. This is my friend's. Actually, this one belongs to my friend and this one is mine. So it's basically like a chateau board. It's like a combination of, it's cheese, some bread, some berries, cucumber, some sauces. It's pretty nice. I really like it. And you get like dessert, which is tiramisu and cheesecake. This is how it looks like. Let me show you guys. This is the tiramisu. I really love it. Like the packaging is so cute. And there is also we also got cheesecake. Here it is. So they packaged it for us, which is really really cute. I really enjoyed this event. Yeah. So with that being said, thank you so much guys for watching. Like, I'm really trying to produce really like quality and nice content that is diverse from the kitchen, from what we normally do. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, comment on the video if you liked anything. Just comment and tell me what you thought about the video. If you want to see more content like this, please do let me know as well. Thank you so much guys for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share your girls videos. So till next time guys, I love you. Bye bye.